Today, let me share with you how to configure Proxy302 in VMLogin. Let's open www.proxy302.com. Click the button to start free trial. Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocols. After logging in, we generate a proxy for configuration, static IP proxy that pays by traffic. We choose the United States US, Enterprise Premier Route, Node 1. Click to generate now. Proxy generated successfully. We click the blue button next to the proxy information. Open the replication window of the proxy. Copy and paste information according to the format set by VMLogin. Log in to the VMLogin. Click New Browser Profile. Custom Display Name. Choose the operating system you need. Here we choose Windows System. Click Settings Proxy Server. Enable Proxy Server. Paste proxy info. VMLogin supports automatic matching. Click Test Agent to test. Agent detection successful. Click Confirm to save the proxy settings. Click Save Profile. Successfully added. Open Browser Profile. Enable added browsers. Visit IP to location website. Check whether the IP is consistent. IP is consistent. Configuration is successful. The above is what I shared today. Follow us to view subsequent sharing content.